Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing some twists in my hair, as you can already tell from the title. But before I get into that, I just want to say that the winner for the BTL braiding rack has been selected, so just keep watching to see who it is. To part my hair today, I'm gonna be using my rat tail comb, and this is also from BTL. I'm gonna start off by taking a section off in the front. This will make it so much easier for me to do my hair, and I do this when I'm doing box braid also, so you guys have seen me do this all the time. Today I'm going to be using my braider band from BTL, and this is something that I wear on my hand to keep my jam accessible to me when I'm braiding my hair. I have them in black, pink, and purple, and today I will be using the black one. This is the jam slash gel that I will be using today, and this is gonna make doing my hair so much easier, and it's gonna make my hair look so much nicer and sleek. So I take a bit of the jam from the jar, as you see me doing here, and then I go ahead and apply it onto the braider band. This way I won't have to leave the jar open for the entire time I'm doing my hair. This is the hair that I'm going to be using, guys. I found it on Amazon about a year ago, so if I can find it, I will definitely link it in the description box, so definitely do check that out. To make things easier for me, because I like to do that when I can, I'm going to be hanging the hair on this rack from BTL, so whenever I'm ready for a piece, I just reach over and grab it. The first thing I'm going to do before I even start parting my hair is I'm going to go ahead and apply some jam onto my hair, and this will definitely help with parting my hair. And it will also help with, having the hair go where I want it, it will help me to control the hair better. To part the back of my hair, I usually just do one sweep with the comb, and that does it for me. If I have to do more than one sweep, then it's not gonna part properly, so I usually do it this way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out a section for my first braid, and in this row I'm gonna be doing 4. The sizes I'm going for today, I want to say these are small, but I know some people may disagree with me and say it's medium. But I would like to know in the comment box what size you think these are, because I feel like if I should go any smaller than this would be extra small. As I pick up my first piece of hair, I stretch it out, and then that kind of changed the shape and texture of the hair. But when I twist it in my hair, it comes out nice and silky. Another thing I should mention is that the hair looks very short before putting it in my hair, or before I start stretching it, but as soon as I twist it into my hair, you can see that it's pretty long, but it definitely goes back up, like it's kind of springy, so it goes back up and then it looks short. To braid the pieces in or to twist them in, I do not split the hair. But what I do is I do a form of box braids at the root, and as soon as I get away from the root, like maybe an inch, I start to twist it in. What I'm doing is really not hard. I would say the hardest part is to get it into the root of the hair, just like, doing a box braid. But once you get that part, all you gotta do is twist it from there. You can also put these in using the rubber band method, but I personally do not like doing it that way, so I rather do the box braids first and then twist it. As you can see here, I had to hold it in my mouth while I was twisting it because it's pretty long. And after I was done twisting it into my hair, this is what it looks like. It's so coily, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me doing another one, but at some point in the video I'm gonna be speeding up the process of me doing them. I'm not gonna skip over too many, but anyway, I will show you guys me doing them as I go through it to the end. I have been accused on Instagram many times that I did not do my hair myself, so yeah. Y'all would be surprised the things people say sometimes. I don't know who else would be doing my hair. It's on YouTube. The proof is in the pudding. But they say, yeah, they don't believe I did it. So after braiding this one in, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video as I start the twist. And I'm going to try to keep it this fast for the most of it unless I need to jump back in to explain something. My daughter already gave my hair a name. I will tell you guys at the end what she's calling it. She just won't leave it alone. I can't get her out of it. I mean, I don't know. She just won't leave me alone. But yeah, I'll tell you guys what she's calling it. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and ask them down in the comment box. I will definitely try my best to reply to them as soon as I possibly can.
Let's go running.
At this point, I'm doing the very last one in the back, and this one and the one beside it is much smaller than the rest of them because I only had a tiny space left in this area to do my last two twists. When I'm parting the front of my hair, as most of you that watch my video constantly already know, I like to part it in a slanted, way, and this will make my parting line up very nicely when I get up to the middle of my head. This row I'm gonna do in two, and as you guys notice, I part my hair, then I put the jam on the parting, and then I go ahead and part it again, and this will give me a very nice, clean, and sharp parting. So this is a question some people ask when I do twists is, do I twist while I'm twisting? I don't know if some of you guys understand what that means, but it's kind of like doing, rope twist. You got to twist the hair one way and then twist it around the other way. But for spring twist, I'm not doing it that way. I just do some regular twist. I did a little bit of twisting while I twist, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly where I did that and how I did that. After I plait the hair in and I'm gonna start twisting it, I did the twisting while I twist, the little rope twist thingy, and this is because I went from braiding to twisting and it kept the hair closer to each other. I don't know. I feel like doing it this way worked out for me because when I wasn't doing it that way for the very first one, I saw an opening between, the box braid and the twist. So I do it this way and it works out. So this is what the hair looks like after I stretched it. Kind of like a Marley hair, but softer. So just in case you guys are wondering, I did this entire style in the same day. If it was box braid, yeah, I wouldn't be able to do the entire thing in the same day. But for this, it was faster. So yeah. I forgot how long it took me because I really was doing other stuff in between because that's just how I do my hair. I always have stuff to do in between. If I had to guess, I would say it took me around 6 or 7 hours. And now for the final one. Just look at how beautiful they are, and I'm not even done yet. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my BTL scalp oil onto my scalp because this is a must. I have seen how well this scalp oil helped my hair to grow. The last time I braided my hair, I had them in for 2 weeks, and when you look at how much my hair grew out at the roots, you would think I had them in for at least a month. So if it ain't because of the scalp oil, I don't know what it is. My daughter actually really loves it when I put it in her hair. As a matter of fact, I did a video doing her hair, like somebody had requested it, and so I went ahead and do it. So you guys definitely look out for it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the mousse on it, and I like to call this the icing on the cake. I'm gonna use it mainly on the root of my hair though. I'm not gonna use it too much on the ends. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and come back and show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. What do you think? I am so in love with it. They are super soft, lightweighted, and it has this really nice curl to it. And I also really love the ombre look. I like the pop of color at the end of it. So yeah, I am so in love with it. Check out the back, guys. Look, it is so beautiful. I think this is a hairstyle you guys should definitely try for Christmas. So the moment you guys have all been waiting for, how many braids I had in my hair in my last BTL video, and the total is 78, and the winner is Mary Vega. She was the first person to guess correctly. I wish I had more stuff to give away to more people because a lot of you guys tried, and I really appreciate you trying. I do, however, want to acknowledge two of my top commenters, and that's Bridget Green and Honeybun87. I will be sending you both a little Christmas gift that's valued $100 each. I appreciate the love and support, and this is just my way of saying thank you. I will be hosting more giveaways, so definitely make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also hit the notification bell so whenever I post new videos, you guys will be notified. All the products that I used in the video today, excluding the hair, is from BTL, and I will link every single one of them down in the description box, so definitely check that out. So I told you guys earlier on in the video that my daughter would not leave my hair alone, and she gave it a name. And I said I would tell you guys what she called it. My daughter called it Slinky just because it could stretch out like that and then go back in. So yeah, if I could only get her to leave my hair alone, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that until I take these twists out. I like that the twists are soft, and using the jam on it definitely make it even softer, so that's a plus right there. Before I forget, guys, I used a total of 3 packs to do my hair. It wasn't 3 packs completely. I had like a few, maybe 5 left over from the 3rd pack, but yeah, that's how many I used. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!